Today, we're going to discuss the top TikTok tips and tricks for beginners. If you're new to TikTok, stick around to learn how to improve your skill and grow your account from scratch. Let's dive in. Point 1. Create eye-catching content. First and foremost, you need to create eye-catching content. This means using high-quality visual, engaging caption, and trending sounds. Remember, the more likely users are to stop scrolling and watch your video. Point 2. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is crucial for building a loyal fan base. Reply to comments, asking questions, and encourage people to interact with your content. This will increase your visibility and boost your chance of going viral. Point 3. Post consistency. To grow your account, you need to post consistently. This shows your followers that you are active and committed to creating content. Aim for at least one video per day to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Point 4. Participate in trends and challenges. Participating in trends and challenges is a great way to get discovered by new users. Make sure to use relevant hashtags and tailor your content to the trend. This will help you gain more views and followers. Point number 5. Collaborate with other creators. Finally, you can collaborate with other creators. This will help you tap into a new audience and grow your account faster. Reach out to the other TikTokers with similar interests and plan a collaboration that benefits for both of you. And there you have it, our top TikTok tips and tricks for beginners. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep creating content and engaging with your audience, and you will see your account grow in no time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching and see you again. Bye!